Jadi Syah hebat yang kerana bukan tim kau kami bahas dengan jawab kata football kalau kami kiu biang kalau kiu biang kami langsung itu kisah sportsnya mesti kalau pejak. Bila kemau hari itu sport di papau kalau sport selong football dengan kepala kalau kau masuk sirba, bagi ni kindia sistem tang ini football. Nanti bami ini klub I-League, kini klub selong tu. Ibu kita yang kebaklain, but kerana sekarang mana ni semat ka dia lah kan long biang kum itu keluar bam cuah. Ki penyai bahaya kam, long bagi tres tong joki lah sih ki orang biang football kum ni makalong mentah.
Tim juga Nongkseh, nama ini Nongkseh. Tanta kajing kemen pada kalau nak kementar kalau way jong ki kun samla jongi, bagian dan ke interest ke sports, wah, kinatnya ki jing senior baru ada. Mangi nak senang Nongkseh tinggi long full support dia ke senang ngajong dai. Ke Nongkseh ke 8 km yang ya ke football. Jongi dai. Makin kering ya kambun ki kena samla kamtam ki youngsters makin long interest ki sports makin shimbenta ki games kamtam balan penlong ki kun samla jongi makin long ki ba kelawai ba penai nak benta jongki.
Kastiet jongi kadi ke baik football. Ni habangi pai ba dan ni kat no bagi ki song set dei bagi lek kai kan kamtam le ba kini ki tim berarteli ki tim ka bagi ki khasi jongi hi kini khmat nei tingi ro ni kemen kan berniwan ni ro bangi kersan kan banta jongki long ka ai sibon ka jeng mentoi kan kamtam ki kena em makin nang kiu kinang ya caprang bat ngira kermen ro baleng ba ka MFA kinam ndai tang bakin sakot tang hapo rilojong ni expect e kiro bakin nang la ban kiu saprang den bakin ya bakin yo ban ya participate akiwe participate
kumba kolong mentate ngar ai musim ya ka jayau Langsning ni kajing sedang jong di pagba ban syongshit ha kajing ide batane football kamtam ni ha sor chlong kai kade ba ki samla kila wa i ba nakaliak ga sokaru kala kham le kham ha ke ban penkiu ya ka jing ya le kai football.
And as you are aware that sports is a very important part of our government and the work that we are doing, and football is right at the top of it. Apart from the fact that we are constructing the largest football stadium in the entire country, we are also ensuring that we are conducting different tournaments at different levels. As you're aware, the MSL tournament has been completely funded by Government of Meghalaya. We have given a grant of 1.2 crores for conduct of this particular tournament. And I would not like to take too much time, but I would like to wish both the teams the very best, and also would like to urge our youth especially that we must always take interest in sports, and we must also show our support for our favorite team by coming and by supporting them during this kind of matches, because that's what motivates everyone.
Thank you.